Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to retrieve archived emails in Gmail. So let's open our application and let's pretend that I accidentally moved my email to the archived ones. I do it like this. So to retrieve archived emails, I need to go to the menu icon in the upper left corner, and then I need to find all mail. And then you need to find the email you want to retrieve. If you have many of them, you can scroll or use the search bar to find needed email. Then you need to tap to open the archived email. And then you need to tap the three dots in the upper right corner and note that this is not these buttons but these ones in the very upper right corner, and here you need to select move to inbox. And now when you go to your inbox, you will see that this message is again in my inbox and not in my archived emails. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.